Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of e to the power of 2y squared minus 4y multiplied with y minus 1 dy. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we got about u equal to 2y squared minus 4y. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you will get about du equals to 4y minus 4, everything with the dy. Because we don't have the number 4 in here, we divide both sides with number 4. And now we need to change this integral. On this one, we change for u, y minus 1 dy, we change for the u over 4. So we got about 1 over 4 e to the power of u plus c. About u, we need to change back for this one. That's the end. Thank you for watching.